All right. All right. Hopefully, we are live. We are going to look at the top coins, the charts. We are going to look at making Ethereum great again. So, folks, welcome. I am your host, Shane. You are live with Bitcoin Crypto News Online, formerly known as Mountain Crypto. We have another kind of red day. It's been a bummer. It looks like the holiday boom is really being like the abominable snowman. The prints were there in the snow, but the darn snowman is nowhere to be seen. So let's take a look. Okay, so our top cryptocurrencies, according to CoinGecko, we've got Bitcoin at 93,000, down 0.25 for the day, about 3% for the week. We got that followed by Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano at number 10, followed by Tron, Avalanche, Toncoin, Chainlink. We've got Shiba Inu at 16, Sui at 18, BitGet token, Horinda, HBAR, I like to call it, at 20, followed by Stellar, Polkadot, Wealth, Hyperliquid, Bitcoin Cash, Leo token, Uniswap, and Litecoin coming at 28, with Pepe Coin following. So let's take a look at our blockchain calendar. You are going to get a great deal on Satoshis today. Today you get 1,067 Satoshis for $1. If you don't know what that is, that means 1/100th of a million. You divide a Bitcoin into 100 million pieces. Each one of those pieces is a Satoshi. You can get just over 1,000 of them for $1. We are on sale right now. Satoshi's on sale. Fear and greed index about 74. So yes, we have seen some selling. In fact, let's just pop back and look at the market cap. It is down a little bit more. We are at the $3.4 trillion point. We were closer to 3.5 trillion yesterday, so that is not looking so good. Our price prediction, however, has gone up. We were at our 5-day for $103,000 Bitcoin, according to coincodex.com, up to 105, almost 106 for the 5-day forecast. So there is some things in the charts. The moving day average, 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 14-day relative price strength index are looking good for a jump here in the near future. 1 month prediction 112,000, 3 month 130,000. So things are looking good. This is going to be a quick episode, folks, so please like and subscribe. It helps me to grow the channel, get back my 1,000+ members I used to have a few years ago before I got kind of punished. That's what happens when you speak your mind sometimes. But anyway, the headlines according to Cointelegraph here. We're going to talk about making Ethereum great again. We got the EU talking about these stable coins. So there is a push to get stable coins in the EU. There's also a push to get them here in the United States. That's going to be a game changer. It looks like it will happen. What the regulations will be, we don't know. But yeah. 3 coins head back from the dead that from 2024 that may continue to rise in 2025. I think all of your real solid project coins are going to go up another 50% or greater. So yeah, altcoin season. I don't think it's fully here yet until we see a $4 trillion to $5 trillion market cap. That's my opinion, not investing advice. So use your own research and due diligence to make your own decisions. So we've got this Best wallet that has $6,000 in pre-sale. If you're interested in that, we've got OpenAI looking at doing some restructuring. Some big companies wanting to get involved in that. Quantum computing, we talked about that a while back. Is that going to be a threat? It's going to be a threat to every single financial thing on the face of the earth. They are a lot easier to hack than Bitcoin is. So, yeah, that's not really anything we got to worry about, but it is an interesting subject. So, take a look at that. I've got a video from a couple weeks ago where we talked about that. Justice Minster approves Do Kwon's extradition to the U.S. So, it looks like the U.S. pushed their thumb down on them, and they were saying, no, we're not sending this guy, and now they've given up. They've been bought out. Another one bought out. So, pretty sad. Stablecoin adoption and ETFs to propel crypto performance in 2025. So that is true. If that happens, we are going to see some massive, massive gains in crypto overall. This is going to push other projects to some new record heights. So let's take a look at our key article. How are we going to make Ethereum great again? How is Donald Trump going to make Ethereum great again? Well, Cointelegraph Tom Mitchell-Hill tells us here all about it. As you know, he is crypto friendly. He is heavily invested into Ethereum himself, actually. Ethereum has been marred by underperformance the last 18 months. We have not seen that. We have not been able to hold $4,000. We have not hit that $5,000, $6,000 top that people were predicting. It just didn't happen. While it gained 88%, Solana's gained over 1,000, and Sui's rallied over 448% in the same time frame. So either ETH is losing all of its boost because of that, or something's wrong. So all these other projects may be taking away from Ethereum, and Ethereum seems to be the odd man out. But Ethereum has all kinds of investors, all kinds of big corporations. So it looks like with Trump making the market more crypto friendly, these corporations that have been kind of holding back, they got their toe in the water. They're going to be all in. And that is poised to launch Ethereum to that $5,000, $6,000 level very, very quickly after the first of the year. This could mark the turning point for Ethereum, and the overall crypto market, everything that's on that. Decentralized DeFi is a project of the Trump family, World Liberty Financial on-chain. So this is something that is going to really push the crypto market here in the United States and around the world, because everyone else will follow suit. So a complete overhaul of the U.S. Exchange Commission. The head of the commission, the CFTC, which is Commodities Future Trading Commission, all these things are looking like they are in the cards. Tokenized stock trading. This is going to be huge, 24/7 a day stock market. Imagine that. It's going to put a lot of pressure on a lot of companies are going to want to jump on board with this. So your Fidelities, your Vanguard, your Charles Schwab, everybody's going to be, you're going to hear about this every day, all day long, and money is going to be cascading into crypto. If this happens, you can't even imagine how big it's going to be. We are going to see 100x's, 1000x's on many, many cryptocurrency projects never thought imaginable before. It's going to be bigger and greater than ever before. Do I sound like Trump? This is actually true, though. It'll be bigger and greater than ever before. So yeah, lots of experts are chiming in on this. Consensus CEO Joe Lubin told Cointelegraph at DevCon that Ethereum is poised to benefit more from a Trump reign here, or presidency, especially since it's a lot bigger and mature than the other ecosystems. So yeah, it's going to move. Crypto's financialism. This just means that the finance companies are going to all jump in heavy on this. You already got a lot of companies and projects that are under scrutiny from the SCE, such as Uniswap, Consensus, Lido, Rocket Pool, meme coin projects. They're all being very careful. But once this is legitimized, and they have clear way of path forward, it's going to be a hyper market, and these speculative assets could go way up for a time before they will drop again. But this is going to be a huge boom. There's all kinds of projects that have a lot of value in them that is being kind of deflated right now. So very, very interesting. Financialism goes hand in hand with populism, a political approach that strives to appeal to ordinary people who feel their concerns are disregarded by the establishment elite groups. So overhauling the SCE is going to be good. Getting the FIT bill so people know how to move forward with this. DPIN projects, all of this stuff is going to propel cryptocurrency like you have never seen before. We expect here, according to Republican Party position, who's speaking here, Anup Navrio, CEO of Turgard Labs, expects the CEO to undergo a complete overhaul and of its enforcement actions, policy direction saying crypto assets are slated to be classified as property under the new administration, and that this is going to be a critical issue for the administration and is going to be a calling card for the Republican Party on the position of crypto. Yeah, real big. All on here, you can see all of these things that are in play: the crypto finance, trading markets, enforcement, investment management, the OCA, these bills that are coming out under the SCE and Congress. It is good times ahead. Here is some cases that are in the House right now, some bills and things like that that we kind of mentioned a little bit here. And we expect to see a lot of legal changes and clarity on the market. If you want to get in depth on this, look this article up at cointelegraph.com. Staking yields could come to ETFs. That's another thing that will bring more money to ETH. If you can have an ETF and actually gain interest on it, plus have the value of it go up, that's a double win right there. So we would expect to see a huge increase in ETH into the ETFs once that passes. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Have a great day. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and we have a Happy New Year. I will talk to you most likely on Monday. That is all. Goodbye.